Hello everyone, my name is Eugene First. This is lesson number 2, vector geometry. Alright, this is grade 12, extended mathematics. This is my cell phone number in case you want to get in touch with me. In video number 1 or lesson number 1, we try to answer part A, Roman 1 up to Roman 3. Now in this video we are going to show that ST is represented by this vector. Alright, so what we need to do is to figure out how to move from S to T. Alright, so now I will take the longer route. I will take SA, AB, and BT. Alright, and then for your homework you are going to take SC and CT, the shorter one, to see if you're gonna get the same thing. Alright, so I'm at S, I want to go to T. So first thing that I'm gonna do, I'll take SA. Alright, so I should take SA, which is going to be negative half because I'm going in the opposite direction. Then I'll add AB, alright, which is going to be positive A, and then lastly I'm gonna take BT. Alright, so all these vectors we already know them. It's just a matter of substituting them. What is SA? Like I said, SA is going to be negative half B. So if you can allow me to copy this, so I can just bring it here, and then I'll change it to, come on, and I'll change it to a half negative B. Alright, and then I'll add AB. AB will be, come on, plus positive A because I'm going in that direction, and then the last one will be BT. We know that BT is this one here. This was BT, this is where we stopped, and then this is just an expansion of it. Alright, removing the brackets, so I'm going to bring it here, and then that's the whole expression. Alright, now our job is to make sure that we write this as we collect the like terms and simplify the like terms. Alright, here we are. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to color the like terms with the same color. It's going to be brown, and then the A's are going to be this color. Okay, so now what we need to do is to write out, to simplify the like terms as one number. So let me start with the A's. Copy this, bring it here. Okay, come on. Alright, so now the denominator is here is 5, and here we don't have a fraction, so we are going to introduce 5 over 5 so that the denominators are the same. So this can now be written as, so instead of just A, we are going to have a fraction which is 5 over 5. So we are trying to achieve the same denominator. So that's why I've said for you to be good at this topic, you should know how to manipulate fractions. So why 5 over 5? Because there's a 1 here, and 5 over 5 is just 1. If you simplify further of this, it's going to be a 5a minus, this is just minus by the way, minus 3a is going to give us 2a over 5. Okay, now that the denominators are the same, all we need to do is to deal with the numerators. That is basic algebraic manipulations, fraction manipulations. Alright, so that's the answer. So 1a plus 1a minus 3 over 5a will give us 2 over 5a. What about the b's. So let's also manipulate the b's. So I'm just going to copy all this, copy that, bring it here, come on. But this time around I'm going to remove the a's. I'll remove the a's. Okay, good. Now here we have a half and 3 over 5. 2 and 5, the lowest common multiple is 10, so I'll multiply this by 5 over 5, and I'll multiply this by 2 over 2. Again, if you can just allow me to do this, I don't want to leave behind the minus. Copy, put this one here. So if I multiply this by 5 over 5, I'll get 5. Come on. Over 5, and this one will be 6 over 10. Come on, over 10. Over 10. So this should also be over 10. Sorry for that. Over 10, because I multiply this by 5 over 5, and this one by 2 over 2. Now that the denominators are the same, all we need to do is just to deal with the numerators. And if we do just that, we are going to end up with 1b over 10, because minus 5b plus 6b will give us minus b. Sorry for that. Minus 5b plus 6b is going to give us 1b over 10. Alright, so this is what we have. Just bring this guy here. So this is what we have now. Okay, undo that. Okay, so say equal sign. So we have 2a plus 1b over 10 plus 1b over 10 plus 1b over 10. Okay, so we should now write this as with the same denominator again. So it means I will multiply this by 2 over 2 so I can have a 10 as a denominator. So if I do that, just allow me again to copy this. Easy now. Copy. I bring it here. I paste. Instead of a 2 over 5, I have a 4. Come on. A 4 over 10. How did I achieve that? I multiplied this one by 2 over 2 so I can have the same denominator as the one for b. So alright, once we reach at this stage, we can now factor out 1 over 10, because 1 over 10 is now the common factor. Okay, let's just bring it here. Easy now. Bring it here. We paste. Bring it to the left. Okay, I'm just gonna, I don't have to copy because it's already on the clipboard. I just need to paste it, and then I say the common factor is 1 over 10. One over 10 is a common factor. Alright, if I factor it out here, I'm only going to have 4a, while here I'm only going to have the b. Then I close the bracket, and voila, that is what we needed to show, that moving from s to d, taking the longer route, will give us 1 over 10 open bracket 4a plus b, and this is what we have here. 3 marks for doing that. So now remember, your homework is to show that if you take the shorter route, which is easier, because the shorter route you only have few steps to take. You take SC to CT. Please show that taking the shorter route also give us the same answer like the one I got. All right, thank you for watching, and share the video, leave your comment in the comment box, and in the next video we are going to look at example number 2. All right, now these notes are coming from the study guide. Just show you study guide, coming from the study guide. All right, so it's extended mathematics grade 11 to 12 study notes with specimen questions plus 2017 to 2019 national papers with their answers. So it's the old curriculum and it's prepared by me. So if you're interested, please get in touch with me. This is my cell phone number here, so I can provide this textbook as a study guide for you. All right, see you in the next video. Bye bye.